Hello and welcome to Easton Adventures. We are out at the Foster's Bridge boat ramp this morning. Got out here early in Alabama on the Tallapoosa River. We're going to do some fishing and hopefully we can catch some fish. Alright, let's catch some fish. Oh geez, I did not just hook on their dock like the first cast. These stabilizing lines are always a pain in the butt. When people have these stabilizing cables, makes it hard to fish the docks. There's one. Got one. All right, buddy. Come on. Right up against that dock. There you. Oh, you're good. Nice bass. All right. It's a good start to the day. Look at that. Yes. It's a decent one right there. All right. We got us our first bass about 30 minutes in, maybe not even that long. Pulled him off the dock. That's a good sign. All right, buddy. Thank you. Go ahead and put you back and let's see if we can catch some more of your friends. Some bigger ones. Maybe that's a good sign, Mike. Oh, another bass just came and bit right at the surface after this. It chased it up to the boat. That would have been awesome. That's a nice cast. Got one. Oh, he came off. Oh, I have a good feeling about this spot. There's a bite. No, I missed him. Oh my gosh. Got him that time.
There you go.
What we got? Come on in, buddy. Stay down. Not a big one. All right. We got a second fish. It's about time. Took a long time. Thank you there, buddy. I know that hurts. Sorry. You got that good. Man. Okay, there it is. It's out. All right, well, it took us quite a bit to get 2 bass, but we finally did about 2.5 hours of fishing. We're gonna throw this guy back. He's a little guy, and let's see if we can catch a bigger one. Got a beautiful cast up near the pylons, near the bridge up here. We're hoping that we can find something, kind of a last-ditch effort here before we head out. Got 2 in the boat. Oh, I got one. Got a. Oh, he came off! Come on, let's make some magic happen in the last 5 minutes. All right. Yeah, after I reel in this fish. Holy cow. That's what I need to say, is that we're done. A little bass. On the swim bait. All right, well, I have this little swim bait that I bought for $2.50. Figured I'd try it out. And one of my last casts. We got 3 for the day. That's not terrible, but let's put him back. That was funny. I'm gonna catch one of those birds if they keep flying through there when I'm casting. I got another one. Right at the end. Oh, it's a crappie.
Hey.
All right. It's a nice little crappie. We're up to 4 fish now. Got him on the swim bait. Wasn't expecting that. It's a decent one. Not huge, but we'll always take fish. Got one. Probably another little crappie. Yep. Well, Mike. Got another crappie. Well, this bridge is where it's at. All right, well, it wasn't a terrible day. Unfortunately, we saved most of our fish catch until the last couple minutes. 3 bass and 2 crappie. Caught the 2 bass in the first hour or so, and then had a lull for a couple hours, and then finally caught 3 fish right before we left. Not an overall bad day, but we definitely could have done a little bit better, but had a good day. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.